The journey towards becoming an SEO expert begins with gaining knowledge. There are several great SEO resources to get started. Get familiar with the basics by reading blog posts on topics like keyword research, content optimization, ranking factors, and link building. Pick up an SEO book or course to increase your understanding.
Another way to get closer to becoming an SEO expert is to study the competition. Analyze what your competitors are doing and think about how you can execute similar things to outrank them. Run SEO audits to identify weak points of your competitors' strategies.
Set up a SEO project and create an editorial calendar. You can use tools like Google Sheets that provide an easy way to track your progress and note the success of your SEO efforts. Digital marketing experts carefully analyze all the changes in the SEO landscape and plan their projects accordingly.
To become an expert in SEO, it's important to stay up to date with the latest trends and search engine algorithms. Follow SEO experts on social media, sign up for SEO newsletters, and attend SEO conferences and events to do this. Also, don't forget to try out the new features of the SEO world to get an edge on your competition. Don't just follow the tips from all the experts, put theory into practice. Experiment with different SEO strategies to see which ones work for your websites. Testing allows you to validate your ideas and refine your tactics for a better SEO performance.